Jesus Christ!
What's up, AC gang? It's again Abbi here.
Capo here.
And as you can see by the title, guys, we are going to do another challenge for you. As man have no chair, only one chair.
That mean?
A serious challenge.
She got time me up.
Mm-hmm.
I have like 2 minutes to get away. If I don't get away, she do something horrible to me.
Yes.
And then I do the same thing to she if she don't get away from in 2 minutes time.
Yeah.
Basically, it's all about who can escape from each other tying up.
Within 2 minutes.
Yes.
Facing the consequences. Well, guys, make sure you hit that button. Subscribe if you're new.
And comment Team Capo below.
Team Capo. Guys, comment Team Abbi down below. Follow up on Instagram. Yeah. Follow us on Snapchat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't further talking. Let's flick into
The video. Oh, oh God. Abbi. Hi girl, is that enough? Hello. Abbi, is that enough? Yo, come for me. Hello, fuck you know.
So, I'm about to tie up Capo real good. But I have to make sure say it's well tied together. Yeah? Because there is no escape.
Take your time, I'm going to tie them, please.
Foot tie on.
I'm not there for. Hey, my skin. Take my skin. I feel like me and burn up like you feel hot.
You feel hot? Like that?
It's soft. Soft.
Alright guys, so as you can see, Capo is tied up. So I'm gonna put 2 minutes on the clock and Capo, I'm gonna try to escape. No. Capo think this is a challenge. Really and truly guys, I'm not even gonna call this a prank because it's something serious me I gonna do. So Capo gonna try to get away while me I do this to him. Capo don't know what? What do you think?
Wine for me?
Wine for you?
Yeah.
Wine for you, Capo?
No.
I'm gonna cut your ear.
Wait, yo, don't fuck with me here, no. Abbi, stop. Ah! Yo, hey, no, stop, Abbi, stop.
Capo will carry himself like a madman. I have to cut your ear. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, let me go. Stop! Yo, I need that. Oh, Lord.
Capo, you carry yourself too much like a madman. You even cut off somebody's ear.
Jesus Christ! Come on, you know fucking sense. Watch me audio.
No, Capo, you can't do me nothing. A challenge, Capo. But you know, say you heard enough. But barely cut off a bit like Capo. You heard it too much. Capo.
Why do Abbi?
Capo, you know you heard it too much. See, you not even look like none cut off. You carry yourself too much like a madman. Capo, you're extra.
Yo.
Capo.
Abbi. You tell me first, you know?
Capo, you barely cut off.
Now cut back off your ear. You know business.
Capo, you're the fun job.
Now cut off back your ear. You want me funny?
You can't do that.
Now cut off back your ear.
You can't do that, Capo.
If you cut off my ear.
Capo, you're not even looking at none come and fight.
Someone come and fight though.
Yeah, but you do too much.
Yeah, eat that hour. Now stop them fucking game. Now stop doing a bit. It's never involved in nothing. I will cut off my ear.
You carry yourself like too much madman. Yeah,
I'm
you
lose that
watch
fire.
him
I'm lose
down.
that fire. Nah, play the game. We don't play again. No. You fuck you don't think it's funny? You think it's funny? You think it's funny? You think it's funny?
Yeah, but I don't go and come up here.
What this look like to you? What this? Where you come off of? Balls?
Yeah, looking at the mirror. You know, can not come off your ear. Yeah, and the clip ends, them will cut off. You look like too much madman. You need your ear cut a little bit.
Jesus Christ. I'm not putting back your ear.
Keep your camera for me. Don't do that.
Abbi.
Yeah, it was a challenge. So.
Challenge what? Challenge if we come out of the tie in 2 minutes. All this dropping night.
Keep don't come here.
Oh, this dropping night.
Come on. No. Please, I'm sorry. But Capo, I don't look like none come off your ear. Because your ear is too much. You tell me, give me the scissors and I'm cut look more.
Stop in here. Just done this. Just done this. Look at the camera done. Look at the camera done, you see. Abbi not laughing now.
Capo, I say that look like don't come off your ear. You say, oh, your ear is just too much.
Everything alright, man.
You're not gonna touch me? You sure? Alright. Guys, as much as I feel some type of way for Capo, I not feel some type of way because Capo ear just too much and him know that too. So one time him just have him ear all about so look like madman when school has stressed him out. You know, some don't want nobody to target him and say him look like them bad boy. Eh? Him not listen to me when I say cut your ear a little bit or pat down your ear. No, him walk himself like some madman. So that's why I have to do this. I know it not even look like some cut none off. I come supposed to cut off some more. It not look like nothing move off of the boy ear for show you all too much. I don't understand. If I never know Capo, I think Capo is a thief. Don't judge me, even though I cut off some more, but I just know what Capo killed me right now. I'm one of I don't know I got to Capo head, you know. Capo, I got to your head.
Yo, just stop with them here. I'm going.
Alright guys, so as I said, this is not a prank. Because if it was a prank, I would have cut him here for real. So guys, just make sure you hit that button and subscribe if you're new. And tell Capo say, you don't need to tell the truth, you know. Tell Capo say, I look like a madman sometimes, so I need to cut him here or do him here better. Yeah, so when the door come down me, I do the right thing, but I don't want the police to target him and think say I'm a mad boy or a bad boy. Yeah. Alright.
Yo, what you do? Press the man.
Capo, Salana, you know I choke me at that.
Don't press the man.
You're bright. I'm green. Alright guys, so
But cut off pretend. The man shot your ears.
how can shot me ears as?
Men can shut your ears.
Don't put me there, batty boy. You must die. Oh, I don't blow.
I'm going to think about something for you.
Capo, don't come here. You know the reason I'm cutting because you feel a madman sometimes.
Yeah, look like a ball in them now with you.
You can't put me.
You must be man, it's color left back alone. It's color go walk up now with it. How you be a wig?
But I'm going to trim my back your ear then.
Say, alright, we don't talk still. Man, you go fast enough. Year one now. Ear short and you find your body and go here. Watch me, man. Yeah, sorry to do this. What do you want if still? Oh well.
Guys, look over here, look, I'm a mess. And that a payback for him, man, I'm head earlier. You know, can give one rattle looking at my head. What my ear look like? You said, no, I come off for the camera. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. And again, this is not a prank. So, don't judge me. I do this for a reason. Capo look like too much of a madman.
What is the reason?
You look like a madman sometimes. And you know what, come here and fix up the hair good. I mean, I want to be a target to nobody.
I look like a bad man.
Yeah, you want to look like a bad man for sister idiot. I mean, I don't even know. So that's why you have to have a strong woman in your life to groom them idiots. Yeah. Anyways, guys, bye.